fishing and marine
So
fishing.
I can explain again, beta. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. The types of fishing like marine fishing and inland fishing. Overall, we have two main types of fishing, beta. When we have the catch, when we catch the fish, okay, so then we have again two types of, like we have subsistence and commercial fishing, beta. Marine fishing, you know that it is done, okay, from deep sea, from ocean, we can say that. It is divided into subsistence fishing and commercial fishing, beta. Subsistence fishing is that it is done, okay, for themselves, beta. It means for family use. The fishermen, when they catch the fish, okay, so they catch the fish for themselves, okay, for family use, beta. And as it is not done on commercial base, beta, commercial way, that's why that they do this kind of fishing on small scale, and they also use some traditional methods and equipments, maybe wooden boats or cheap nets, okay, they use that. So total catch, okay, we can say that it is not so much, because in commercial fishing, you know that they use, okay, scientific methods, they use, okay, scientific techniques, okay, we can say that. And they also use the equipments, large nets, okay, and even the boats, okay, they have so many facilities. So in commercial fishing, okay, so they catch more fish, and whatever the catch they have that, so they sell in the market better. So this is about marine fishing and the type of marine fishing beta. And now we are going to the next type. It is inland fishing beta. Inland fishing mean on the land part. On the land part, it is done, okay, in the fresh water. Either it's done, okay, in the lakes, rivers, ponds, canals, dams, and barrages. The types of fish which are caught, okay, from the inland fishing, you can see that, right? Palla, Rahu, Thela, Mahasir, Trout. Because question can come that name some type of the fish, okay, which are caught, okay, from inland fishing. So you can write, okay, any these maybe, okay, they can ask two, maybe they can ask, okay, they will not specify, okay, any number. If they don't specify any number, okay, so you can write how much, okay, you know that. So as you can see that they are some of the fish, okay, which are either reared up, my dear, or they are caught, okay, from inland fishing with. Yes, here you can see that they are the type of fish, okay, which are caught, okay, from marine fishing beta. Croakers, skates, drums, catfish, rays, okay. So they are some of the fish which are caught, okay, from marine fishing. When we catch the fish from sea or ocean. Then we have, yes, we have the map of Pakistan beta. Where is marine fishing done beta and where is inland fishing done? Or where we have the fish farms, okay, in land areas where we have fresh water, we have lakes, okay, we have rivers, we have in the barrages from the reservoir, okay, we catch the fish there. Or even, okay, we have man-made fish ponds, okay, in land area beta. Inland, keep in mind that inland is not from the sea. Marine fishing is from the sea. Inland fishing is done, okay, on the land part. Either they have they have natural one, like from lakes, okay, from rivers, from barrage, but we have, okay, man-made pond too beta. So we will study inshallah man-made pond. I mean, what are the physical conditions required, okay, for man-made pond, or how do they rear, okay, the type of fish, okay, in the man-made pond, okay, we will study that. Right now, okay, you must know that what is the difference, okay, between marine fishing and inland fishing beta. And sometime, okay, you can see that Can you see beta fishing center in Pakistan?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So they give okay this kind of map okay in the exam, and they ask you that label label the missing marine fishing center in Pakistan. You can see that if you start okay from southwest part of Pakistan, southwest part of Pakistan. So the first center is Jiwani beta. Then we have Gwadar. Then we have Pasni. Then we have Urmada. Then we have Son Miani. Then we have Karachi. And then we have Indus Delta beta. So they are the marine fishing center in Pakistan. So you must know that, okay, you must know the labeling beta, that which area is where and where beta. So Jiwani, Gwadar, Pasni, Urmada, Somiani, okay, Karachi, and Indus Delta, okay. So you can specify, or you can easily okay label that on Sindh coast we have only Karachi and Indus Delta area where fish are caught, my dear. And when we talk about Balochistan coast or Sindh Makran coast, so then we have, you can see that five different fishing spots. Okay, we have that fishing center. Okay, we have that. You must know their location better. So you can memorize it like from the extreme southwest part of Pakistan. So first one is Jiwani, Gwadar, Pasni, or Mada, Sonmiani. So they are the fishing center or marine fishing center. Okay, keep in mind that there is no any lake or there is no any river. Okay, we can say that okay where fish are caught. This is only about the marine fishing beta. Marine fishing center in Pakistan beta. Is it clear beta or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, types of inland fishing. Okay, you can see that which are caught okay from the rivers, from the lakes. Okay, from the dams. Okay, area or from the barrages. Okay, they are caught. Okay, so you can see that they are the types of inland fish which are caught: rahu, phalla, trout, thalla, grass, mahasir. Okay, silver carp. Okay, so they are some of the types of fish. Okay, which are caught. Okay, from the inland fishing area beta, either from the rivers, from the lakes. Okay, or maybe okay we have man-made pond, okay, near the river and even away from the river. Okay, where water is available, cause lot of water is required. Okay, and fresh water is required, not polluted water is required. Okay, for the growth of these type of fish. So we have man-made pond. Okay, inshallah, I will explain that what kind of physical features are required. Okay, for these kind of man-made ponds. So if they ask you that, write any two types of fish. Okay, which are caught. Okay, from the sea or during marine fishing beta. Or maybe okay they can ask you that, write two types of fish. Okay, which are caught from inland fishing or inland area. Okay, we can say that maybe from rivers, from lakes. Okay, so we can write okay any two. Okay, if they specify any number beta. But if they don't specify any number, so then you have to write all beta. So it will be better for you, my dear. Cause examiner does not want that okay you should fill the pages okay 100 pages or 200 pages. He just checks that okay that do you have any approach, proper approach, okay, over writing the answer of the question or not. Yes, as we have marine fishing center beta, in the same way we have inland fishing center. You can see that Manchar Lake, okay, that is in Dadu district. Halaji Lake, okay, so that is north of Thatta. Reservoir of Mangla and Tarbela dams, and Kerry Lake, okay, north of Thatta. So they are the lakes and the dams, okay, barrages, we can say that. Reservoir, okay, we can say that, where we have inland fishing, or they are the inland fishing center in Pakistan, where fish are caught better. Why are fish okay important beta? What are the uses of the fish? In fertilizer, the waste of the fish, okay, not the meat, not the meat beta, okay, the waste of the fish, so that is used okay to make fertilizer, farm manure. So they are produced okay from the waste of the fish. For poultry feed, the waste of the fish is also used to make poultry feed. You understand that okay, for chicks and some other birds, the feed is produced okay from the waste of the fish. We get meat and it has a low cholesterol level, okay, it is a white meat, you know that. From fish okay, we get the meat, okay, it is white meat, and that white meat has low cholesterol level in that beta. So it is low cholesterol diet okay we get okay from the fish. It has protein in that beta. The food mean the meat okay which we eat from the fish beta. So it has protein food beta, or it has protein in that beta. It is delicious and nutritious beta. It has vitamins A and D, okay. Like fish oil, you know that. Fish oil is used, okay, for making of Maria, and it has, okay, vitamin A and D, okay, in it. So, mean that it is a source of vitamins A and D, okay, so we can get, okay, from the fish oil better. And it provides, okay, livelihood to the people. Yes, people can generate money from that, and people can keep, okay, the profession of fishing. The fishermen okay which we have in Pakistan or in any other part of the world, Maria, so their livelihood is linked okay to catch the fish. It means that it provides okay livelihood to the people. If question comes that okay what are the uses, okay, so you will write that the waste of fish, the waste of the fish is used to make fertilizer, and it is also used to make poultry feed. It has, or it is okay low cholesterol diet. It has protein in that. It is delicious and nutritious, my dear. It is a source of vitamin A and D in the form of fish oil. Because from the fish, okay, we can extract oil, and fish oil, okay, it is used either for vitamin E or D, okay, and even okay for some medicines too, beta. And it provides okay livelihood to people. So they are some of the uses okay we can write if question comes that what are the uses of fish and why are fish important beta. Now we have the fishing methods beta. They can ask you that what fishing methods are used beta. In subsistence fishing you can see that which is done okay on small scale beta, and commercial fishing, so you understand that as it is done okay on large scale, and they produce okay more, or they generate okay more money okay from commercial fishing. So how are they done, Maria? So in subsistence fishing, okay, as you can see that people use okay traditional boat, small in size, okay. They have no equipment, okay, as you read in grade 7 that the boats, okay, they have instruments in that, so they can catch or they can trap, or by getting the waves, okay, receiving the waves, sending the waves. So they have instruments in that, okay, so they can find out that location where they have shoal of where they have more shoal of fish, okay, so they can easily track, okay, with the help of instrument. But the traditional boat, okay, as you know that they have no engines in that, okay, with the hands oar, okay, so they are sailed okay from one place to another place. They have traditional net, okay, small net, small in size, my dear, and the catch is nominal, beta. The catch, okay, which we have, okay, from through traditional boat or traditional net, okay, so that is nominal. You understand that? What is the meaning of nominal, beta? Does any student know that? What is meaning of nominal, beta?
Not very much.
Less in number, yes.
Very little.
Less in number, okay, it means that we can count the number easily, beta. We can count the number easily, okay, so that is nominal, okay, we say that. Now commercial fishing, gill netters. They are specific, okay, nets, gill netters, okay, they call them that, and also mechanized boats. Mechanized boat, okay, as I explained that some boats, okay, they have freezing facilities that they can go into deep sea water for 2, 3, 4 days, even whole week, okay, they spend over there as they have freezing facilities, okay, in the boat. So easily, okay, they can catch, okay, more fish, and plus, okay, they can freeze them. Mean that, so they are preserved. So they do not get rotten, my dear. So when they come back, okay, so they can sell easily, okay, they will be fresh, okay, because they are frozen. They will keep in the freezer. Okay, they have the trackers. They are trackers. They have the trackers, okay, maybe, okay, they are connected, okay, with the satellites, okay, because they have the instruments in that, or maybe, okay, by sending the waves or rays, okay, so they can easily trace out or track out where do they have the shoal of the fish. Mean more number of fish, okay, they have that, or in crowd, okay, so they can easily find out. So they don't waste time, okay, they just go to that part where they have more fish, so they can easily, okay, more catch more fish, okay, and less time, okay, will be spent, okay, and they will generate more money with it. So they are some of the we can say that the techniques, okay, or methods, okay, they use that, or equipments, okay, they use that, okay, they can catch, okay, more fish with it. Maybe on National Geographic channel, okay, if you have seen that they have large nets, okay, and those they send, okay, I mean they throw the nets, okay, into the water, and they have proper machinery, okay, so they have not to go into sea water while standing over the small ships, okay, small boats, okay, so they can easily, okay, drag, okay, those nets, okay, back to the ships, okay, or maybe the boats, and the fish which are caught, okay, in the nets, okay, so they can easily take out better, because this is done, okay, on commercial basis, better commercial basis, because the fish catch, okay, they have that, so that is uh, we can say that sold in the market better. Okay, you have understood better.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You can see one picture better. It's inland fish farm. It is man-made. It is man-made better. And mostly question come that describe the layout of inland fish farm better. Describe. I mean, which feature, okay, can you see that better? Which feature, okay, can you see in the layout? You can see that it is in which shape better? Square shape or rectangular shape better? Can you see the picture better?
Yes, sir.
Yes, boys.
Sir, it's in rectangular shape.
Say loudly.
It's in rectangular shape.
Yes, rectangular shape, okay. So it is in rectangular shape, okay. One point, okay. 1 point, if you write that, it means 1 mark. You will get that better. So it is in rectangular shape. Reason is that they can easily catch the fish better because they don't need okay very large nets. If the farm is very much large okay in size that, so then they need okay very large fish, large fishing nets okay, and definitely it is will not be easy to catch the fish better. So for better management, this man-made ponds, so they are made okay in rectangular shape better. So the fish farm okay we can see that it is also in rectangular shape okay, that we can easily or we can better way the manage this pond okay or fish farm easily better. Number two, separation of ponds okay, embankments okay for different ages or species better. Yes, you can see that they don't have only one pond in which okay they are keeping okay all species or different ages of the fish in one pond okay, so they are not keeping that better. So they have so many and they are separated okay from each other better. They are better. Are they separated okay? So reason, there are so many reason better, that suppose that in one pond they have only one species of the fish. They have taken from the nursery okay, and they have put okay in the pond better. So in that area, if there is only there are two or three large fish, so you understand that okay they will eat the smaller one better. If they have of same age and same species better, so they will not damage each other okay, and they will be having okay more growth of the fish better. So that's why that they are separated better, because in one fish pond okay, so you understand that if we have put small fish okay from the nursery, 1 month ago, and if we put okay smaller fish okay there, so definitely okay they will be eaten okay by the fish. So this is not good okay, it will be a kind of loss for you better. So that's why that okay they are separated okay, they have different fish ponds, and each pond okay, so they have different species better. Roads, ponds okay lined to prevent okay contamination, mud, dust okay, and leakages better. Yes, you know where they have made the pond okay, so first of all they dig up the area better. They dig up the area, they make them deeper one better, they keep them in rectangular shape. As I said that it is more better way to manage the fish farm okay, if it is in rectangular shape better. If it is large in size okay, so then how can fishermen go into the water okay and catch the fish better? So it is manageable like that. They just keep or throw the net okay. uh, some person stand on that bank, other people stand okay on that bank better. So as they roll my dear forward, so they can easily catch all the fish better easily better. Otherwise, if the size of the pond is very large, so it will be very difficult to manage the net, cause large nets okay to manage them okay, it is difficult better. Inshallah, I will continue okay. So this is the layout of inland farm fish or fish farm okay, which we have on land part better. Inshallah, I will continue. If you have any question, ask me better. Or we have time left, I
Yes.
think. Yes.
There are 5 minutes left.
5 minutes
Yes,
left.
sir.
Okay, okay. I can explain better. Yes. Okay. So you can see that these ponds are linked okay with the road for transportation of the catch fish. Okay. So we can easily transport okay to the nearest market, my dear. Or if we need okay any raw material okay, food and other things okay, their feed. So that can also be transported easily better. Okay, the down part and the side part okay, so they are filled with those rocks okay which are non-porous. And non-porous beta, keep in mind that non-porous, they don't have pores in that, because if soil has the pores, so then this water will seep into that beta. You can understand that beta. If there is more seepage of water, so then the water level will go down beta. If water level will go down okay, so definitely fish farmer has to manage the water, and sometime okay, he can't manage the water, okay, and water level goes down, so it is good, okay, for the fish growth. For fish rearing, okay, that is not a growth beta. So that's why that when they dig up, so they place, okay, at the down part and the side, that water should not seep to ground, okay, to other areas. That's why that, okay, the sides are kept, okay, little bit higher, and they put non-porous rocks, beta, impermeable rocks, okay, so they put there, beta, or soil, okay, they place over there, that water should not seep into the ground, beta. Because if water seeps into the ground, you understand that there will be a kind of damage, okay, or the growth of the fish, okay, can also be affected, okay, due to that, beta. Clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
roads. As I said that if you have proper roads over there, metal roads, pakka roads, okay, so easy for transportation, okay, so vehicles, they can come to that area, they can go from this area, the fish catch, okay, you have that, so they can transport, okay, from this area to the market area. It means transportation is easy, beta. But if you have no road, so you understand that, so transportation, okay, will not be easy, and the fish catch, okay, you have, okay, from these ponds, so that will be wasted, okay, because people in Pakistan, you know that they don't have the facility like cold storage facility, because it is very much costly, okay, so they can't afford that, beta. Number five, okay, we have the trees for shade, shelter, and beauty, beta. One thing, beta, they provide shade, so mean water is not evaporated. More evaporation, okay, will not happen that, cause they lower down the air temperature, beta. The trees you can see, okay, on the side of the ponds, so they have been planted, okay, for some reason, beta. One reason is shade. They provide shade. Number two, they checks, okay, water evaporation. Number three, okay, so they provide oxygen. So you understand that oxygen is required, beta, okay, and plus, okay, they provide a kind of beauty, okay, if they are planted around the fish pond, beta. Ponds full of water, okay, for healthy fish and good condition, beta. Yes, you can see that ponds, mean the level of the water in the pond, okay, it is kept constant, okay, so they check that if level is going down, okay, so they provide, okay, fresh water supply to these ponds. So if there is more evaporation and non-porous rocks, okay, have not been placed, okay, at the base and the sides, so then there will be more seepage of water and there will be more water loss, okay, and fish farmer has to keep the level of the water, okay, it can be costly, okay, for the farmer, cause maybe, okay, he has tube well over there, cause fresh water is supplied, okay, to the fish farm, beta. The fish pond, man-made fish pond, okay, so which are built, so in it the water which is supplied, okay, so that is fresh water, I mean they have to pump out from groundwater. Clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Inshallah
sir.
we will study, okay, more points about the fish farming, beta, fishing industry, okay, and if you have any question ask me, beta, otherwise see you in next lesson, beta.
Allah Hafiz,
No,
sir.
no, sir. No, sir.
Hassan
No,
Abid,
sir.
Hassan
Yes,
Abid,
sir.
beta,
Officer.
Hassan Abid, Hassan Abid, can you hear me, beta?
Yes, sir.
How are you, beta?
Fine.
Your mom died?
Yes.
Inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un. अल्लाह ताला उनके लिए आसानी का मामला फरमाए, आपको सब्र दे। क्या बीमार थी आपकी मामा?
जी बीमार थी,
क्या था उन्हें?
कैंसर।
इन्ना लिल्लाहि व इन्ना इलैहि राजिऊन। अल्लाह ताला उनके दर्जात बुलंद करे बेटा, जन्नत में आला मकाम अता फरमाए, आप सबको सब्र दे। बहुत अफसोस हुआ बेटा। टेक केयर बेटा, हाँ इंशाल्लाह वी विल सी यू। अल्लाह हाफिज।
अल्लाह हाफिज सर।
Allah Hafiz, sir.
अल्लाह हाफिज।